there's a mixed feelings in the family right now. Because I know for some, them kind of have a relief knowing that him get arrested and charged. And for some, it's no closure, it's more pain. Like for me, it's no closure. It's more headache, more grief. I guess I'm just starting to real grief now. Because I know for a fact that I can go light a candle. You understand? I just can't see a body that remains. But I know I can light a candle because I'm positive sure now so my niece dead. You understand? So this is all this news gift to me is just surety that my niece, I wouldn't even say dead, possibly dead. Because up until they find a body, I guess it's possibly dead. You understand? Forensic came a day, but the body is somewhere else alive. Anything can happen. But at this point, family is very destroyed. Very. Very. I have two nieces that get the news and have to leave off for work. You understand? Immediately. So when we think it's a joy, we can jump, yeah. It's no joy because if we had the body, then probably would have feel more different, you understand? There's no joy in it. For me, totally zero, no joy. It's just headache. From me get the new seat there, at the 6th dragon that me upon. You understand? This is what it is. This is what it do. You understand? This is all it do to me. You understand? It does make me pull up my car key on the side, say, yeah, me just want to drink some liquor and just stay on my yard because the way I feel right now, not if I road me no want to go. Now go on road and a lot of people are going to say this. A lot of people are going to want to talk and all that. You understand? I just can't deal with it. So I just keep it right now.